Sige na, ano more? Ay na more?
Okay.
Okay, go! I am
Betty Soliak. I am 44 years old.
my work is...
44 years old.
Yeah. My work is a midwife.
Where?
And the house of millions family.
How much salary?
How much is your salary?
3,500.
Naanak ko na object na yun.
Saan nga hindi ka naka-work?
Because my auntie Ami hiring me.
When?
On May 30, 2006.
Who is your husband's name? What is your husband's
Juba, hoy. Live and partner.
Okay.
Ay, makasasala. Kagaling.
Oh yes, uy, I accept that. I am a widow and I have a... I
Oy,
have
wait. Tell us about your sex life,
Tell us
Ana.
about your sex life.
Your sex...
zero.
Anong zero?
No more. No sex.
Why?
Why?
I'm very tired.
Why very
Uy,
tired?
tama.
Why? Why is very tired?
Because I have a lot of work every day. And when I go home, I'm feel very tired. So many take a baby. And then what? Clothes, laundry clothes, and iron.
You said you're a midwife.
Yes, I must be well. Take care of baby and take care of calcera and Tama na balaga.
What else can you tell us about your life? Tell us about your husband. Hindi mo siya hindi? About your husband. Kasi gana,
My husband is very pototer.
then,
What about his...
occupation.
Huh?
Occupation of your husband.
Karga tapas.
What's English of Karga Tapas?
I-translate ang karga tapat.
Loading and transloading. Ang kapusing na dahil. Bang gusto na abala. Dahil.
Bakit yung bahan nalibay sa tagag-ibagat ng